We are currently at the biggest McDonald's in the entire America. Woo! But you know, we don't eat at McDonald's, so we're just gonna leave now. Bye. We're in the biggest McDonald's in America. There's an arcade in McDonald's. It's really something. Get on, girl. Get on. She said it's covered in disease. Oh. That was the tour of the world's largest McDonald's in America. The world's largest McDonald's in America? The world's largest? Oh, the world! Why did you keep No, the largest McDonald's in America. I don't know if it's the world's largest. I said in America. I did. Do you guys understand how she's wrong in this, her wording? Okay, this is where we're actually eating. So ridiculous. Ooh. Oh. So tell her where we're at. We are at in Orlando Airbnb. Yes, it's our Airbnb. Nice. Ooh, I like this little flower here. See, look at this bed. 2 separate beds. That's nice. I want this one. I call this one since I wake up later. So okay. You don't have to pass me into the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, that bed is so soft. It's so soft. I can't lay down. I had to get my stuff. Oh, it's too late.
I see the area. It's small. Look, toilet.
I'm excited.
It's sealed.
I'm ready to pee.
Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh.
You know how I be in condo apartments. And iron.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like
okay.
it.
Not much to see.
I like this one better.
You like this one better?
Yes.
Oh.
As you can see, I laid on the bed much easier. Just talk about it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, this bed is so soft. Oh. What happened?
Hair.
Where?
Hair.
I have also located here. Dun dun dun.
Just check it.
What? Just check it even underneath the sheets. Why?
Just to see.
Let me see. You're checking the mattress?
Yeah, I'm just checking the mattress. Make sure everything's clean. What are you laughing at?
So funny.
This is not an easy life.
Just want to see if there's any stains.
Your order should just check your temperature further up.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Come here.
Springs. So basically, Disney Springs is a place where it's like a shopping strip with restaurants and stores, and a lot of things are Disney themed. So we're just walking around and seeing all the cool stuff. Just around the river bend. Oh, so pretty. Oh, beauty.
Jump in. This is where Gothel keeping Rapunzel. Where art thou, Rapunzel?
We are in Icon Park. Yes. So it's another tourist attraction.
People's faces.
Oh, celebrities' faces.
Oh, that we're here.
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
So this is the Sugar Factory.
Same pictures as this.
Okay, so this is Icon Park, and behind us is the Ferris wheel that we're gonna get on. You see it? So we're so excited.
The train is coming.
Oh, choo choo. Oh, look at that.
Just hop on it.
I know, right? Okay, so as the train goes by. So in Icon Park, parking is free. Ferris wheel behind us here is the largest on this side of America, I think. And that one costs $24. So it's the largest on the East Coast. So we're excited. So we're gonna walk around and show you guys Icon Park. Okay, so we're in line and we're getting our tickets to go onto the Ferris wheel. We got vouchers, but you still need to get a ticket, or you need to turn in your voucher to purchase, to redeem your ticket. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, we're about to go in. So when you come in, they take a picture of you, and I guess, and it's in a green room, green screen room, so it's probably gonna have a cool background. And so now we're going in. Good. Okay. Okay. Woo! We made it!
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Okay, and once we're in, we can take our mask off.
Oh, look, it has a touch location.
So cool.
Scared, guys.
Guys, look how high we are.
Mercury, at quarter 50 miles.
She's scared.
fine.
It's fine.
Maybe it's not fine.
Yeah, it's not fine.
Look, there's things below us. There's things below us.
Because the thing is, guys, I'm afraid of heights. I'm gonna say it. I'm afraid of heights.
You are?
Yeah. The only thing that's keeping me sane right now is that I'm not looking down.
Oh, I've been looking down the whole time.
I'm looking straight at the scenery. I'm looking at everything around
I've been
me.
looking down the whole time.
That's why she's freaking out. I'm looking at everything but down, and it's beautiful. If I look down, I think I'm just gonna sit down and close my eyes and
Why
cry.
would you not look down? That's the best part. But nonetheless. Oh, now we're at the top. Now we are at the top. Yes.
We're at the top. We are at the highest part. Ooh, guys, look. Look at this. That's so scary. Oh my gosh. Look behind me. Everything is so small. Oh yeah, and this, you're on here for 22 minutes.
It stopped.
Oh snap, it stops.
Let's go picture.
Okay, hold on.
Guys, we're lucky, man. Like, we got to stop at the highest part. So we literally were the lucky people who stopped at the highest part.
That's
like
true.
you can periodically stop, so we got that.
Yes, and then like I said, it's 22 minutes. So if you're afraid of heights, you're up here for 22 minutes.
You're not up here for 20. Oh, well, it's the whole feeling.
Yeah. If you're dense, the thing moves. Okay, so we're gonna make this move as much as we can.
No, we're not. We are not doing that. Kenneally, stop! Oh my gosh.
Can you imagine if like the wind just started blowing?
Why do you like this?
It moves when you dance. Is that one? Do this.
It's the second tallest attraction of its kind in the United States and the fifth largest in the entire world.
Keep going.
Weighing a whopping 1,500 tons, it's over 21 times heavier than the Ferris Wheels. Thanks to its steel frame, it is also significantly more stable. And Ferris wheel operates on 2,6.6 engines with a combined 120 flyers. We're a virtual nation.
We're landing.
Sharing with
We're landing a plane.
stories and stories on your journey.
That was so much fun. Yay, we did it. We did it. Are we gonna do this?
Yeah.
These things are so.
Why did it just stop?
When your door challenged.
No, it stopped.
Okay, so we're at the sugar factory and the menu is on the table like this. So that's cool. So now we're gonna order some food.
What I like to see what I'm eating. A giant picture of Johnny Depp. Look at them eyes staring down at you. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Macaroni and cheese up in there. I didn't know it was macaroni and cheese. It's good? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Wow, that's a whole jacuzzi. Wow, take a sip. Do you have to wait? Wow. lot faster than this.
Okay, so we had an amazing weekend
Oh, it was so good.
in Orlando. So don't forget to like, subscribe,
Yes.
and leave a comment in the bottom. Which part of Orlando do you like the best? What would you like to come and visit? You know, leave
the
a
fun
comment.
stuff.
All the fun stuff.
Yes,
Okay?
sisters.
Out.